What's up, everybody? So today we're bringing you Project Miata. We're gonna get started by fixing the factory body kit. As you can see, it's coming apart from the vehicle. Should be a fun little project. All right, let's jump into it. Alright, so now that we've got this side skirt off, you can see how it's held on by this double-sided tape right here. So for getting this stuff off, the best way is if you can pull it back, it'll just kind of release itself. But luckily it looks like it's releasing for us. So we'll get all this pulled off. I'll show you the result. So now we got this section down here cleaned off. We're just going to take the remaining pieces off the side skirt, and then we'll get on to installing the new tape. So yeah, we did have to remove this little side skirt bracket. That way we can clean off all the double-sided tape off the body of the car. But, yeah, we'll get you back on time lapse and get it all cleaned up.
Alright guys, we got the retaining clips on the bottom of the side skirt so we can hinge it up to the vehicle. We're going to re-wipe this with isopropyl alcohol all the way where the 3M tape is going to bond. We went ahead on the release liner on the back, folded it up in 2 spots just in case it breaks in the middle. We can still get to one side of it while we're got it close up to the body putting it on. And we'll get this thing put back on.
So we got the side skirts installed. It's sitting nice and flush against the rest of the body. We went ahead and followed the same procedure on the rest of the panels.
And that's it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more of the Miata build. Like the video, comment down below if you want to see anything on the Miata. And we'll see you on the next one.